Welcome to Rosie and Grace. My name is Grace, and today we're going to make penguins out of clay. Are you ready? Let's go. At the end, I'm going to do something very funny, and make sure to stick around and watch the whole video. So first, we're going to make our first penguin. So first, we're going to need some glue. And I want to make some more glue to make the body. You have to make the body kind of bigger because the body is kind of bigger than the head. Okay. So now we're going to get some black. First we're going to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to spread it on the eye. And now we're going to need some white to make the white dots in the eye. So this is how tiny you have to make. Okay, here's one eye. Does it look creepy or does it not look creepy? Let me comment that. And then get some other white eye for it. Okay, now we're done with the eyes, so now we're going to move on to the beak. You can either make the beak orange or yellow. I'm just going to do it yellow because you can mix it to orange, but it might take a while, so I think I might just use it for yellow. So now we're done with the beak, but first I have to make it with my nail because I don't have any scissors. Okay. I can use a knife, but I don't have a knife. Okay, now it's smiling. So now we're gonna make the feet. Okay, so now we're done with the feet. So now we're gonna make the arms. So the arms are gonna be green. So now we have some green. I don't really like the color of this green, but I have to use it because I don't have any other green. So now the last part that we have to do is make its hair white. One piece done. And now we're gonna do the other two. So the middle kind of longer than the other ones. So I'm just gonna. This is how long it has to be. Wow, super. Now we're going to make the last one, and then we're going to level 2 after. Okay, so here's our penguin. So now we're going to move on to level 2. We're going to make our second penguin. So this was our first. Let's go with me. Come on. Okay. The next one, we're going to need some red. So these are both big, and all of these 4 are small. But you still have a lot of them. Now that's so here's ours. It's so soft. And if you want to buy it, you just have to go to Walmart and find it. So if you know, sometimes if we make a channel and we're going to Walmart to buy this, always follow the directions so you know where to get it. Okay, so now we're going to make the hat. Okay, we're going to need. This is to be kind of like a smaller penguin because that's kind of big. And this one to be kind of smaller. So now let's attach it together. Here it is. So now we are going to move on to the eyes. So that's why. So now I'm going to use some black. This. Spread this out. And now we're gonna get some white. We spread it on there. And then we get another bowl of black. Okay, now we're gonna spread this. I am gonna make sure to get the big size of that one. So we're gonna need a little bit more black. And then we add it inside of the other black. And we spread it out. There, and I want to get the butter on. So these guys can dry out, so I'm just going to put the red up. Okay, there's eyes. So now let's move on to the beak and the feet. The beak and feet rhyme. Put it in the comments. Now we're just going to make our beak. And this one might have like little nose things because I have a penguin that looks like that. So we're going to be doing one very gently because these have to be short. There, 1 and 2. There, now there's his beak, so now we're going to do his feet. So his feet now will go a little bit different than those because his feet will be spread out. So now we're going to put the feet on. There's one feet. And now let's do the other. When we are done with them, I'm going to go downstairs and play Uno. If you know Uno, make sure to subscribe in the comments because I have played it before. So here's the feet. So now we're gonna do the arms because he has to have arms because penguins have arms. Because this penguin has green arms, so now he's gonna have 2 arms. So now his was spread out. So his will be on. Okay, there's 1 arm. So now let's do the other arm out of the assembly. Okay, so here's our penguin. So he sits down. So here's our first penguin and we're gonna name him. So today, his name Avalis. Okay, so here's Avalis. Put her over there. And now she will be called Rosemary. Okay, now let's put Rosemary over there. She will go right here beside Avalis. So now let's name our third penguin, so now let's go over to number 3 of that hole. Okay, so now the next penguin that we're gonna make is kind of like, I think it might be smaller because that is big, medium. Now we're gonna make a small baby one because I had like green big tub of play-doh and I made a little one. So now this is how little its head's gonna be. Okay, so here's 1 eye. So now we're gonna do the other eye, but first I might do the body. Okay, does he kind of look like a monster? So now we are gonna give him some more black. Okay, so now there's the eye, but first we have to put the white dot on it. You have to be really careful to do little plastic here. Okay, there he is. So now we're gonna do the feet. So his feet will be super tiny too because he's a tiny fella. Okay, now let's do the other feet because there's 1 feet. So now we're gonna make the arms. There's with one arm because there's no arm the other side. There's one. Hey, he has green arms like Avalis. Rosemary has blue arms. Guess if I have a sister or not. Tell me in the comments. Okay, there's our penguin. His name is Heartlove. So now we're gonna do it in number 4. First, we might mix a color. Do you want to do that or not? Make sure to subscribe. Red plus blue equals purple. So now it's equal purple. Starting to turn purple. Turn purple. It's already purple, but except it still needs to be all mixed because there's still red lines in it. So here's our purple, guys. And next color I might mix is black plus white equals silver. So I'll make silver next. So now let's get the head. Get the head. Okay, so we're gonna make the body, but look at this. I have blush on my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the body because I only have a few purple, so I'm not everything's gonna be purple, but we are gonna make it. Okay, so let's make my head. Make my head. So his head's kind of tinier to his head, but his body will be this size. So now we are going to make his arms. Okay, there's one arm. And next I'm going to make the other arm. And now we are going to make, I need some black for the eyes. Can I spin it out? Wow, this is a big eye. I think I might get rid of some. Now I just have to make the black a little bit smaller because this black was kind of too big. So now we are, so I think this might be enough, but we just found a pink, but we will make enough. So first we have, why is it sticking? Okay, so first we make our head, then body. This is the baby pink, so this is daddy, mama, this will be sister, and then this will be baby. Okay, and now we make one eye. Let's wipe it all the way out here. So now I'm gonna get some white. And then we'll put it right up here on the cover, the purple way. There we go. Now one eye completed. Now let's do the other eye. So next, let's get some black and make some more. Okay. Well, I have no space to put the beak. What should I do? I'll just... Okay, now the only thing we're going to make is his feet. Oh, and arms, so his feet will be super tiny. They'll be like this big. There's one feet, and I think the other feet. Now we make his arms. Which color do you think your his arms should be? Blue shed? Oh, red? Okay, red it is. So now I'll put his arms red. So now let's make his little baby arms. And now let's get his other. Okay, so here's the back of him, and here's the back of him, and here's the back of him, and here's the back of him. Thank you for watching our video from Rosie and Grace. I hope you had fun making our penguins. So we made 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I forgot to name him, so we'll name him real quickly. So his name will be Minidrill. So this is Ava's Rosemary. So his name is Heartwell. And this guy's name is Benedict. Okay. Now I have something really funny to do before I leave. Hello. Bye. Thank you for watching our channel from Rosie and Grace. Bye. Bye.
You ready? And go.
Welcome to Rosie and Grace. So today we're gonna make 5 penguins. So now we're gonna make them out of clay. So I have yellow, red, blue, green, white, and I just mixed this color and it's purple. Thank you for watching our video, Rosie and Grace. Bye. Hello.